Okay, good morning, students. Our topic is quantum numbers. Already two types of quantum numbers discussing. One is principal quantum number, and second one is azimuthal quantum number. Principal quantum number is denoted with small m, and azimuthal quantum number is denoted with small n. N explains energy and size of the atom, principal quantum number, and L explains the shape of orbitals and name of orbitals. Name of orbitals are SPDF orbital, and the shape of S orbital is spherical shape, P orbital dumbbell shape, D orbital double dumbbell shape, and F orbital does not discover. And these L values for different orbitals. L value starts from 0 onwards, N value starts from 1 onwards. Always L will depend on N only, right? L is equals to N plus 1, right? When N will know, then we can find L type of orbital को find out कर सकते हैं based on NL values. And next, today we are going to discuss magnetic quantum number. Third one, this is very important. Magnetic magnetic quantum number. This magnetic quantum number is denoted with small m. Magnetic quantum number denoted with small m. Okay. Third quantum number is magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number is denoted with small m. Especially this magnetic quantum number explains about subatomic orbitals. Suborbitals, atomic not, suborbitals. Suborbitals के बारे में magnetic quantum number explain. So what are the subatomic orbitals? Already last class में explain किया. Subatomic orbital means S having one subatomic orbital and P having 3, D having 5, F having 7, G having 9, etc. Means every orbital having even number of orbitals. Even number means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. These are the each orbital having this number of subatomic orbital. Each means SPD, SPD, F, G, H, etc. S orbital having only one orbital, that is suborbital one only, and P orbital having 3 suborbital, D orbital having 5 suborbital, F orbital having 7 suborbital, G orbital having 9 suborbital. About these suborbitals will be indicated with magnetic quantum number. तो ऑर्बिटल में suborbital present होता है. First one, this one is atom. These are the orbit having orbital and orbital having suborbitals. These suborbitals are explained by magnetic quantum number. Here, m is always depend on the L value. M value always L पे depend होता है. That's why the principle to find m is equals to 2L plus 1. तो यहाँ पे 3 क्वांटम नंबर से ये 3 क्वांटम नंबर एक दूसरे के ऊपर डिपेंड होता है. n always depend on L always depend on n because n is equals to n plus 1. L is equals to n plus 1. Similarly, m magnetic quantum number depends on L value 2L plus 1. तो L पता होगा तो m वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं क्योंकि L ऑर्बिटल्स के बारे में एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है. m ऑर्बिटल के अंदर जो है सब ऑर्बिटल के बारे में एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है. That's why when we know the L value, then we can find m values, right? N value starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And L value starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And here m values are starts from minus 0 and positive. M values first minus values रहेगा, उसके बाद 0 वैल्यू, उसके बाद पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज रहेगा. तो ये m वैल्यूज तो माइनस से स्टार्ट होगा, 0 तक एंड होगा, फिर 0 के बाद जो भी हो पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज है, मतलब -0 पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज. एम present m here. And next, m always depend on l values only. Based on this we can calculate the m values for different orbitals. M explains only subatomic orbitals. Here L value, if we know the L value, then we can find M values. Very very important. ध्यान से observe करो. S1 subatomic orbital, P3 suborbitals, 5, 7, 9, etc. If L is equals to 0, what are the values for M? Like if L is equals to 0, then M is equals to 2 into 0 plus 1. That is equals to M is equals to only one value. ध्यान से observe. L is equals to 0. That is s orbital. Here, this s orbital having how many values for M? Only one, right? So only one होगा तो that means s having only one subatomic orbital. What is the value for that subatomic orbital? M value starts from negative, 0 and positive. Here s orbital having only one orbital, that one orbital m value is 0. यहाँ पे s orbital में एक ही ऑर्बिटल भी एक ही है, उसमें सब ऑर्बिटल भी एक ही है. तो सब ऑर्बिटल s having only one sub orbital, this sub orbital m value is 0, right? तो ये प्रिंसिपल में सब्स्टिट्यूट करने के बाद m वैल्यू 1 हुआ. 1 मतलब एक ही सब ऑर्बिटल रहेगा. वो सब ऑर्बिटल का ये नंबर, हाउ मेनी ऑर्बिटल subatomic orbitals, sub orbitals are present in the orbit. This number will use it to find number of suborbitals, and the values for m for that orbital suborbital, the values of m for this suborbitals, negative, 0, positive. Here only one suborbital is there. suborbital having only value 0, क्योंकि वहाँ पे एक ही ऑर्बिटल है. एक ही ऑर्बिटल होगा तो m वैल्यू 0. अगर वहाँ पे डिफरेंट होगा तो डिफरेंट नंबर, मोर देन 1 होगा तो नेगेटिव, 0, पॉजिटिव दीजिए. इसलिए वहाँ पे सब एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल नंबर और नंबर पे है 1, 3, 5, 7. फॉर एग्जांपल 3 लेंगे. 3 लेंगे तो एक सब एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल माइनस रहेगा, मिडिल वन 0 and last one plus 1. Total number of orbitals or suborbitals 3. These suborbitals m values are -1, 0 and +1. Here another example. In case यहाँ पे क्लियर लिख रहा हूँ मैं, यहाँ पे m is equals to 2l plus 1. This is the principle. Here first s orbital is over. S orbital having only one subatomic orbital. This s orbital, because l is equals to 0, then m is equals to 2l plus 1. That means 0 plus 1. M is equals to only 1. S orbital having only one subatomic orbital. M value for this s orbital is 0, क्योंकि यहाँ पे प्लस नहीं है, माइनस नहीं है, डायरेक्ट मिडिल वैल्यू 0 कंसीडर करें. नेक्स्ट, L is equals to 1. If when we know the L, then we can find M. Okay, then M is equals to 2 into 2 plus, sorry, L value 1 plus 1. तो 2 into 2 क्या होगा? 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So total subatomic orbitals are 3. Here L value 0, then orbital is S. Here L value 1, then orbital is P. L value 1, then total values for M 3. The total M values for P orbital are 3. That means P orbital having 3 subatomic orbitals. P में 3 suborbitals होता है. तो ये 3 suborbital का वैल्यूज यहाँ पे ये 0 रहेगा. 3 suborbital का वैल्यूज ब्रैकेट में लिख रहा हूँ, वो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो three orbital का first one -1, second one 0, and third one +1. These are the three values for p orbital. Each subatomic orbital m values. P orbital having three subatomic orbitals. Each subatomic orbital m values are -1, 0, +1. That means this orbital is 2px, 2py, 2pz. This orbital having -1, middle orbital is 0, and this orbital is +1. These are the m values. Total values are 3. What are the values? 3. What are the values of 3 for p? -1, 0, and 1. These are the free orbitals. In case d, then L is equals to 2. Total number of orbitals यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व करो 1, 3, नेक्स्ट आने वाला 5. Then m is equals to 2 into 2 plus 1, that is equals to 4 plus 1. Total number of suborbitals are 5. How many number of suborbitals present in d orbital? 5 suborbitals are there. What are the m values for each subatomic orbital of d? तो यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व करो, मैं यहाँ पे d लिख रहा हूँ, ओके, नीचे लिख रहा हूँ. This is d orbital. D orbital having 5 suborbitals. Atomic orbital 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 subatomic orbitals. M explains about subatomic orbitals. So M always depend on L. If we know the L value, then we can find the M values. So for d orbital, M values are 5. Each orbital having the M values are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. These are the total 5 values for d orbital. These 5 values are m values. These are the total number of suborbitals. Each orbital m values are these: -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. How many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Compulsory odd number ही रहेगा. So this orbital will get -2, this orbital will get -1, this one is 0, +1, and 2. These are the values for m for d. Clear? And next orbital is f orbital. F orbital having L value is 3. Here m is equals to 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 plus 1, that is equals to m is equals to total 7. That means F orbital having total number of suborbitals are 7. तो यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व करो 1, 3, 5, 7. F orbital having 7 suborbitals, and the values for these 7 orbitals are starts from -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the वैल्यूज. ये माइनस जैसे नंबर इंक्रीज होते रहेगा ये माइनस इंक्रीज होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल 9 होगा तो ये -4 होगा, 11 होगा तो -5, क्योंकि मिडिल में 0 आ रहा है. तो काउंट करो -3 मीन्स 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. m values for f orbital is these are the values. -3 से स्टार्ट हो गया +3 तक एंड होगा, और यहाँ पे m वैल्यूज 7 रहेगा. मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ f is equals to f orbital having 7 suborbitals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each orbital m. This value number of suborbitals को indicate करते हैं. The value of each suborbital is for m -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. These are the m वैल्यूज पर सब एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल्स। तो जी फाइंड होगा तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा 9 होगा, m वैल्यू 9 होगा तो दैट मीन्स g orbital having 9 subatomic orbitals. Is 9 subatomic orbitals are values -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These values. In case m value 9 होगा 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 ये m values को indicate करते हैं. So these are the three main quantum numbers. Okay. Here another one thing. Each subatomic orbital electron capacity is each subatomic orbital electron capacity 2 electrons. आपको ये याद रखना है, ये very important है. Each subatomic orbital electron capacity 2. तो s orbital में 2 electrons present होते हैं. p orbital having how many number of electrons? Each subatomic orbital electron capacity is 2. How many subatomic orbitals are there? 3. 3 into 2. Total number of electron capacity in p orbital is 6. 5 orbitals. 5 into 2. 10. F orbital 2 into 7. 14. Means s orbital always having 2 electrons. P orbital electron capacity is 6. Always means depend on electrons. 1 होगा तो 1 ही रहेगा. More than 2 होगा तो 2 कंप्लीट होने के बाद नेक्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन थर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन पी में चेंज होगा. तो एस ऑर्बिटल में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन कैपेसिटी होगी, पी ऑर्बिटल में 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन कैपेसिटी, डी ऑर्बिटल 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन कैपेसिटी एंड एफ ऑर्बिटल 14 इलेक्ट्रॉन कैपेसिटी एंड 9 सबएटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल. तो जे ऑर्बिटल 9 into 2 18 electron capacity. These are the values and explanation about magnetic quantum number m. m values are very important. just confusion रहेगा और next में examples लेके उसमें explain करेंगे and last quantum number is numerical से और numerical में explain करेंगे. Next one, spin quantum number. Fourth quantum number is spin quantum number. Means these 4 quantum numbers complete explain the structure of atom. Okay. Quantum number fourth quantum number, spin quantum number. This spin quantum number is denoted with small s. S means spin quantum number. Here n for principal quantum number, L for azimuthal quantum number or subsidiary quantum number, and M for magnetic quantum number, and S for spin quantum number. This spin quantum number was proposed by Uhlenbeck and Goudsmit scientists. Uhlenbeck, Goudsmit scientists ने spin quantum number को introduce किया. This spin quantum number explains the orientation of electron. Electron का rotation direction को the orientation of electron का. So electron are rotates clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. So how to identify the clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction? These electrons, when electron circulates clockwise direction, means यहाँ पे electron अपने एक्सिस पे रोटेट होगा एज वेल एज न्यूक्लियस के सराउंडिंग में रोटेट होते रहेंगे. दैट रोटेशन इज नोन एज रिवॉल्व. तो प्लैनेट जैसे सन के सराउंडिंग में रिवॉल्व होगा, वैसे इलेक्ट्रॉन न्यूक्लियस के सराउंडिंग के साथ सर्कुलर पार्ट में रिवॉल्व होगा. मीन्स अपने खुद का एक्सिस पे खुद रिवॉल्व रोटेशन होगा एज वेल एज न्यूक्लियस के साथ रोटेशन होगा. तो ये रोटेशन 2 टाइप्स होता है. वन इज clockwise direction and second one is anti-clockwise direction. Here this is clockwise direction, this is anti-clockwise direction. So always clockwise direction electron value is place of syndicate. In case electron having clockwise direction, right side rotation, that is place of value according to spin quantum number. Spinning means rotation. Spin quantum number. Spinning means rotation of electron. Rotation of electron here clockwise direction having positive half value and anti-clockwise direction having negative half value. Positive negative neutral होना चाहिए zero. अभी atom stable. तो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में स्पिन रोटेशन होगा तो माइनस ऑफ क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन होगा तो प्लस ऑफ 1/2 plus 1/2 minus 1/2 values for the electron. In case when the electron is in clockwise rotation, its rotation is clockwise rotation. When we indicate that electron is arrow upward direction. Upward direction indicates to clockwise direction. In case electron rotates anti-clockwise direction, that is indicated with downward direction. The arrow will be indicates downward direction. Downward direction means minus 0.5 or 1/2 and upward direction plus 1/2. These are the values for electron and its rotation. This will be explained by spin quantum number. These are the four quantum numbers. क्योंकि अभी एक बार आप ऑब्जर्व करो न्यूक्लियस okay here nucleus orbit or shells. These shells having orbitals and orbitals having suborbitals. These suborbitals having electrons. यहाँ पे देखो शेल्स होगा ऑर्बिट होगा ऑर्बिट के अंदर ऑर्बिटल्स होगा ऑर्बिटल के अंदर सबऑर्बिटल होगा सबऑर्बिटल के अंदर इलेक्ट्रॉन रिवॉल्व होगा तो इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन होगा तो पॉजिटिव ऑफ एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में रहेगी तो नेगेटिव ऑफ. So these are the shells. Shells are indicated with K, L, M, N, O, etc. And principal quantum number for this K, L, M, N is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are the shells and orbitals here. Total four types of orbitals available: S, P, D, F orbitals, and these orbital having suborbitals. These suborbitals are S having 1, P having 3, D having 5, F having 7, etc. odd number. When each orbital having two electrons, these two electrons, each subatomic suborbital electron capacity is 2. मतलब S having 2 electrons, P having 6 electrons, D having 10 electrons, F having 14 electrons. Here, this is principal quantum number and orbitals. L, azimuthal quantum number, suborbitals. M, magnetic quantum number, orientation of electron explained by spin quantum number. These are the total four quantum numbers explains complete structure of atom. And depend on these four quantum numbers, now we are going to discuss one or two numericals. And before going to this, we will discuss another one topic: how to find the total number of electrons in the orbit. Orbit, not orbital. Orbital to individual. For example, what are the electron capacity of p orbital? P orbital electron capacity is 6. D orbital electron capacity is 10 because d orbital having 5 suborbitals. Each suborbital electron capacity is 2. 5 into 2 total 10 electrons. Similarly, here each shell electron capacity. Last class we discussed about number of subshells present in the orbit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each subshell electron. Number of subshells. Suborbitals. Orbitals and subshells of cell, that is equals to n square. If we know n, then we can find number of orbitals. For example, how many subatomic orbitals present in third shell? So here n is equals to 3, then 3 square, that is equals to 9. Here S, P, D. D having 5, P having 3, S having 1. 4 plus 3, sorry, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, total 9. These are the, this length we use it to find the subatomic orbitals. And now each orbit electron capacity. Electron capacity, number of electrons present in orbital, orbit only. Number of electrons present in orbit or in shell. How many electrons present in shell? Number of electrons present in shell. Find out करने के लिए each shell को n square को 2 से multiply करो. 2 into n square, because n square means number of suborbitals. Number of suborbitals पता होगा तो each suborbital electron capacity is 2. Then 2 into n square. 2 into n square, each shell electron capacity को find out कर सकते. For example, what is the electron capacity of 3? N is equals to 3. 3 orbit electron capacity. N is equals to 3. And 2 into 3 square. 2 into 9 square. That is equals to, sorry, 3 is 9. 2 into 9. That means 18 electron capacity for the third shell. Third shell electron capacity is 18. How? For example, third shell having how many suborbitals? Orbitals s, p, d. Each orbital having suborbitals. D having 5. How many orbitals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 orbitals. 9 orbitals. Each box is equals to 1 suborbital. This suborbital electron capacity is 2. Then 2, 2, 2, 2. मतलब 2, 6, here 10. 10 plus 2, sorry, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 2, 18. Okay, 2 plus 6 plus 10, that is equals to total 18 electron capacity having n is equals to 3. n value 3 होगा तो total electron capacity 18 होगा. In case n is equals to 2, then 2 into 2 square, that is equals to 2 into 4, that is equals to 8 electron. That means second shell having electron capacity is only 8 electron, because second shell having how many orbitals? There are two types of orbital sp. These two types of orbital having total suborbitals are 8, sorry 4. sp, s having one suborbital, p having 3 suborbitals. Here 2 and 6, 2 plus 6, 8 electrons. First shell electron capacity only 2. In case n is equals to 1, then n is equals to 1, 2 into n square means 1 square, that is equals to 1 plus 2. S having only one s orbital, first shell having only one electron, sorry, only one s orbital. This only one s orbital having only 2 electrons. That means first shell electron capacity is 2, second shell electron capacity is 8, third shell electron capacity is 18, and fourth shell electron capacity. Fourth shell means 2 into 4 square. 16 is equals to 32. Here 32 electron capacity. Next 5 square into 2. Then go multiply there. So these are the electron capacities for each shell. Means each shell having orbitals spd depend on n value. N value n is equals to 1 होगा तो only one s orbital, n value 2 होगा तो sp orbital, n value 3 होगा तो spt orbital, n value 4 होगा तो spt f orbitals होगा. Because here s p d f रहेगा 1 3 5 7. यहाँ पे कितना हुआ 4 9 16, 16 into 2 32. Yeah. The total number of electron fourth shell having 32 electrons. ये each shell electron capacities, each shell having number of suborbitals find out करने के लिए, each shell having number of electrons को find out करना. 2 into n square is used to find the number of electrons in orbit or shell, and this is used to find the number of orbitals in orbit. एक एक ऑर्बिटल में नंबर ऑफ सब ऑर्बिटल को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए n स्क्वायर को यूज करेंगे. Okay, next class we will discuss textbook numericals. 3 4 numericals are very important, and these four quantum numbers are used are you these four quantum numbers are very important for entrance examination, maybe with set JEE NEET etc. क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको कंफ्यूज होने वाला क्वांटम नंबर एक ही है, वो m. m वैल्यू से आपको कंफ्यूज होगा, बाकी वैल्यू में कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल कुछ ऑर्बिटल देगा, ऐसे उसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट करेंगे, तो राइट द फोर क्वांटम नंबर्स फॉर दैट ऑर्बिटल. तो वहाँ पे एल वैल्यू को आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं, एन वैल्यू को आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. इन केस इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट होगा तो एस वैल्यू को भी लिख सकते हैं. एस वैल्यूज ओनली स्पिन क्वांटम नंबर हैविंग only two values. One is +1 and another one is +1/2. Another one is -1/2. इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन होगा तो अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन रहेगा, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन होगा तो downward direction करेगा. For example, S having two electron, one is compulsory positive of, one is compulsory negative of. That's why S will be stable. Net spin value is stable. जिसका spin value जितना lower रहेगा उतना stable रहेगा. This one is positive of, this one is negative of. Net spin value of S orbital is 0. No, 0 spin value, low spin होगा तो more stable. Okay. Next we will discuss numericals on these four quantum numbers. These quantum number numericals are very important. After that, we will discuss the shape of orbitals. Okay.